Coco, you dressed? Get dressed, bud. Boy, you scared me. Let's see what we got. Nice. Oh, you look good, sir. Let me see. You don't need help. Go ahead. You do. Go ahead. Mm-mm. You got it? Good job. Do that one. No, you got it. You do. Oh, really? You mad? You okay? You want me to tie your shoe and I won't do it? So you had to clap? You had to... But you can do it though, buddy. You've proven it. See? You did it. How you gonna get mad at me for not tying your shoe? You look great. You look good, buddy. I don't know about that shirt on you, but I think we gotta leave it because it's a good outfit. Ugh. Good morning, everybody. I'm tired. Tossed and turned all night. Listen, something is really kicking around in here. What is it? I don't know. Am I pregnant again? Probably not. It's so funny. So crazy how all y'all got so confused when I started talking about my girlfriends, talking to Ste'ce about my girlfriend Shay. Y'all was like, wait, I thought you were Shay. We're both Shay. My name's Shay. Shayla. Her name's Marsha. We both go by Shay. I only call her Shay certain times. When I'm talking to somebody else, when I'm mad at her. But mostly it's Sugar. How we doing over there, Ste'ce? I said, how you doing over here? You good? You look great, buddy. You look great.
Disarm system now.
I'm getting it, buddy.
Disarmed. Not ready to arm. Chime.
Thank you for picking up my phone. Good morning, Chloe. Hi, Mama. How you feeling? Go ahead, Ste'ce. Good morning. Hi. You got your breakfast bar? Oh, it looks yummy. Okay, let me get the coffee. I'll be right back, okay? Well, the coffee is brewing, so let me move this back. Is it too close? Was it too close to your face? No. Thank you to the person that bought Ste'ce these pants. Let me see, Ste'ce. Pick your leg up. Pick your leg up. Y'all see his pants? Somebody just sent that through the Amazon wish list. Thank you so much. He loves them. And I'm glad they fit. You love them, right? Cheers. Cheers, you guys. Cheers. Bink, bink. Your coffee, your tea, whatever. Follow move. Let me see if this works, Stacey. See, I don't know what's going on with this thing, but it's definitely getting on my nerves. I will fix it though. I got a lot of stuff to fix around here. Garbage disposal, freezer. Too much. Dang, all our food is melting in the freezer. All our food. Because it won't close. Stressing me out first thing in the morning. Wake up and see all your food in the freezer is melting. It is. And I'm hot. I think I'm having hot flashes. Paulo, please stop barking. You're stressing me out. Get in here. Yeah, Robin, that's true, but I am the handyman, so I'm the person that fixes everything around here. Yes, he does like the joggers. Thank you so much for sending them. Miranda sent these pants for Stacy. She bought them from the Amazon wish list. If you're wondering where they came from, how she get them to us. Hi. You okay?
I made that.
It's so funny. It's so funny, Ste'ce. Those joggers fit good too. What do you say, Ste'ce? How does Stacy do with shots when you go to the doctor? He does okay now, but we have to practice a lot at home. We practice at home with a fake syringe, like one of those ones where you put medicine in, where you put like use it for the baby. You know what I'm talking about? Those syringes that you use for the baby. Practice on that, and then they should be good. Of course, they're gonna be scared or whatever, but as long as you do it exactly how they do it at the doctor's office, as long as you do that at home, practice, you should be good. You should be good. Becky, you been... Stacey, you drank all your coffee already? You ready for table talk? Huh? Huh? Yes or no? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah. Good morning, Stacy.
Good morning.
Good job, buddy.
Muscle, look.
Let me see these muscles. What they doing? Wow. Big muscles. Wow. Oh, I didn't feel it all the way? Let me see. Wow. Your muscles are huge, Stacy. I'll be right back. Let me finish trying to get this ice out of you. I fixed it. Whoa. Whew. It's fixed. How you doing? How you feel? How you feeling, bud? Good or bad? Tell me on your tablet. How you feeling?
No.
What you mean no? How are you feeling? Good or bad? I feel, or you can say I feel, whatever.
Dig.
No. I feel. When somebody says, how do you feel? You say good or bad. Go to good or bad. Because I'm asking him questions out of order. How do you feel? I feel, or you can say good or bad.
Bad.
You feel bad? How do you feel?
Ready.
You feel ready? Okay. As long as you ready, my guy. I'm asking him questions out of order because I noticed that he be already having his answers ready. Like he know what I'm going to say. So he's not even listening to the question. He just answered it. Heaven and sugar are coming. It's still early. What you got down there, buddy? Straw. Still very early. They'll be down shortly. That's one of your straws from your collection? I don't know about drinking this hot coffee today because I'm pretty sweaty. I feel like I'm in a sauna. I feel like I'm in... How you doing, buddy? How do you feel? Let's try that one again. How do you feel?
Bad.
You feel bad? I feel. Can we have some I feel statements? No, we're not talking about that. I feel. I
Ready.
feel.
I.
Erase that.
I feel happy.
You feel happy? That's awesome. That's awesome. So today is Tuesday, May 23rd. May's just trucking right along, you know what I'm saying? We're just trucking right along in May. You got anything going on at school today? Yes or no?
No.
No, you don't got nothing going on at school today? You ready to go? You already said you was ready. You ready to go to school? Yeah. Do you like it there? You like it at school? Yeah. It's fun. I gotta go to work today. Ask me if I like it at work. Not really. Yeah, not really. Not really. You know what I'm saying? Shh. Oh. Stacey, how'd you sleep? Well, what you got going on today? Anything important? Going to ceramics today?
I have to.
You go every day?
Just,
Yeah. What y'all doing in there?
you
Y'all not doing no more clay stuff?
know,
Why?
because she don't like that class.
Your teacher don't like the own class that she teach?
Because they be doing too much, and she said we're not doing no more class.
Wow. So your classmates are acting up so your teacher won't do any more projects. That's messed up. Why don't you ask her if you can do them on the side or something? Because you actually like doing that. No, it's okay, honey. You did a lot of little projects. What happened to the one you said was in the kiln? You gonna bring it home? Casey, I'm glad you're feeling good, sir. Your son is 1 and they testing him for autism? Hey, well, shoot. Do what you do. I ain't no expert or nothing. Seem kind of young, but if they can test at that age, then go ahead. How's that going? How are things going? They're in the process. How's that testing going, Queen? How can you test social skills from a 1-year-old? Well, I guess you can. You can. Listen, I don't know nothing about that. I don't know nothing about that.
Why they doing that one day? They barely developed it.
Yeah, I don't know, Heaven. That's why I'm trying to find out. That's why I'm asking her questions. How's that process going? Because she might know something that we don't know. Be careful, sugar. The floor is wet. Being evaluated. He's 2. Oh, wow. Second person saying, hey, Ste'ce got evaluated at age 3. He was almost 4, but he's 18 now. That was 15 years ago. They might have changed it. They might have more stuff that, more tests that you can do at that early age. Let me know how it goes, okay? Let me know how it goes, okay? The process with the testing and stuff with your young one, so I can give that information out. My son was around 3/4 when he was evaluated. 3/4? 3/4? What's 3/4?
Almost 4.
Oh, that would be like 3 3/4. Is that what you meant? Do you meant he was 3/4? 3 or 4? I'm confused. Oh, 3 or 4. Okay. I said, my ass said 3/4. I said 3/4. Oh, weak. I said 3/4. Oh, man. Good morning. Yesterday, Jack, let me tell you about this, little N-word Jack yesterday. I took him up there to Animal Services and assigned him in or whatever. The young man came out to grab Jack, right? Jack ran to him. Just ran to him. Yes. And then he looked back at me like, let go of my leash. So I let go of his leash and he went to the dude. Oh. The dude put on the other leash and he just walked off into the sunset with this dude. Yes. He just walked off into the sunset with this dude. He didn't even say bye or nothing. I was calling his name. He didn't turn around nothing. Jack was not going to stay here forever. We definitely don't have room for 2 big dogs at all. We don't. They was bumping into each other, knocking stuff off the counter.
Especially he was super energetic.
Yeah, and he was way too energetic. I don't know. Damn, sugar. And we thought Ste'ce was drinking all the cream.
No, it's me.
You like a little bit of coffee with your creamer, huh? Oh, yeah. Well,
But Casey won't.
the temperament of a dog depends on how you raise them, so I'm not going to say it's her fault her dog's like that, but it's her fault her dog's like that.
You just say you want to go ahead.
I'm not going to say it, but you know what I'm saying? Because look at Paulo. People say he's supposed to be mean, and he's not. He'll lick a person that come and try to rob us. You're supposed to be protecting us, Paulo.
People only be saying that about them breeding dogs because those people be abusing them dogs, which makes them aggressive.
That's facts. That's facts.
Pit bulls and bulldogs are not aggressive unless they have been abused or something.
That's facts. Have a good day, Kim. Have a good day at work, Kim. Stacy, Kim's leaving.
And people only say they are scary because
Hey,
people
sit
be
down,
clipping
sir.
their dogs' ears.
is the point of cropping their ears? I thought it was because
People do that to make them look scary. And that scary.
I thought it was because they had ear problems or something like that, but it's not at all, is it?
No.
JC said that explains why my dog act like she's the boss lady. That's facts. I don't know how Chloe got so prissy though, because I'm not like that. She probably, it was already in her. She said, I'm a princess and I'm a lady and that's it. I'm a lady. I'm a lady. Like Shanae saying, because I'm a lady. Yeah, Heaven graduates this year as well. I got a meeting with Stacy's teacher in a week. Well, 2 weeks. It's the 7th. And she's gonna let me know how well Stacy did. And in the working program, whatever, if he's ready for his diploma and whatnot and so forth. Gotta go. Stacy, say bye to your friends. Bye, friends. We're going to school. I've been feeling not really stuffy, just like my nose running and stuff. I don't know. It's probably my allergies, maybe. Like, it feel right here. I think it's sinus pressure.
I have no clue what that means.
Dripping or something. I don't know, girl.
Maybe you should go to the doctor and see.
Well, they're just going to give me Sudafed. I can get that at the store. I'm with doctors because sometimes they don't be listening to me. Sometimes they don't believe me when I say I'm feeling bad, you know? I don't know. It makes me feel sad. Because I be like trying to tell them, hey, you know, I'm in a lot of pain. And then they're like, oh, on a scale of 1 to 10. And I be like, 9. 9. And they're like, 9, are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. What you mean am I sure? And then when I tell them about like how sometimes I be losing my balance and stuff, they're like, oh, it's okay. You're fine. Like, ma'am, you're not supposed to lose your balance when you walk in. It's not fine.
Ste'ce, you better let my mommy talk.
But you know, I hope that it changes when you start going to, you know, regularly to the doctor or whatever. If you start going regularly to the doctor, I hope that changes for you, because right now, sometimes when they see a black woman come in, they be like, oh, she all right. She complaining for no reason. And then sometimes, you know how you cannot really tell that I'm in pain because I'm just trying to, you know, be happy and stuff. And they take that as, oh, she faking. So I would have to be like, ooh, ah, for them to do something.
You be doing that because you don't want us to see you like that.
Yeah, that's true. No, I don't. And I also don't want to be moping around like I'm going to make everybody sad. Make everybody sad, but I really don't feel good today. I'm trying to be happy. I gotta go to work, and then the pest control people are gonna come to check, make sure everything closed up. I told them about that.
Did you tell them about the noise about them hearing in the bathroom?
Yeah, I told them about the noise.
We're not in the bathroom.
Yeah, I told them about the noise.
And I'm pretty sure it's squirrels.
Yeah, they think it's squirrels because they said they set the traps up there. And the poison and stuff for mice, so there's no way mice would be up there. But now they gotta get the squirrels out, because one thing about it, they don't live here, okay? They don't pay rent. This is my house. Up there living in the attic. Y'all do not pay rent. They probably having parties and everything. You say you be hearing them. They be up there partying. It's those trees back there. In the backyard, you be seeing squirrels over there playing around.
No, I think you're hearing them.
You know what I'm saying? When you look outside, do you ever see a squirrel?
Not over here. Not usually.
I've been seeing them in the backyard all the time. Excuse me. Girl. Oh. I thought it was a spider web on me. It's hair.
I got headache.
You got what?
I have a headache. And my stomach.
Me too, girl. I barely sleep.